Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how you can send Robux to your friend on Roblox. So that's pretty much easy. You have to follow the step-by-step guide that I'm going to show you in this video. So first, you have to go to the roblox.com and log into your account. When you have logged to your account, then you have to simply click on create, and it will lead you to the creator hub. So this creator hub, where you can find this let me show you where you can find these creations, where you can find all of your project that you are currently working on, trying to build something on Minecraft. So you have to do is simply click on that platform, any of that project that you are currently working on. Then you can find at the left side a bunch of options that among those you can find the monetization. Simply expand that section, and from here you can find passes. Simply click on passes, and this pass will help you to get Robux from your friend. So for example, you want Robux from your friend. So on the other prospect, your friend is sending Robux to you as you are his friend. So you can follow the same method, and you can trail your friend to do the same thing, or you can share this video to your friend and tell him to exactly follow the process that I'm going to show you. So simply click on this create a pass button. Here you can find the create a pass option here. Now here you can see, let me explain from the very beginning that you can add an image of your pass. So it could be a JPG, PNG or BMP format. Now you can name it that anything you can say anything like sorry for that. So I have just added any name, so you can name it anything. You can add any description you want, and that could be 100 characters, not more than 100 characters actually, 1000 characters actually. Now you have to simply do is simply click on create pass. When you have created a pass, here you can see, oh, I have already created a pass here. And when it is off sale, you have to do is simply click on it, and there is pretty much a problem here that you have to add a amount that you want to sell. For example, there is no option. Here is the sales, that at the left side you can find the sales here. So you have to add the price for this pass here. So you have to simply turn this on, that item for sale. When you toggle this on, you have to add the amount that you want to get the Robux from your friend. For example, 300 Robux. Now here is enable regional pricing. You can enable it or disable it, it doesn't matter actually. So you can simply click on save changes. So when you have saved changes here, then you can go back here on the passes here, and you can see it is on the sale and current price is that much. So now you have to do is simply hover over that passes here and simply click on this three dot button, and you can find the copy URL option. Simply click on copy URL, and you have to simply send this URL to that exact friend who wants to send your Robux. So you can use social media platform or email address or Google Drive to send this code here, so they can get to the pass here. So I can actually get through there, so they can actually get the pass, and or you can use the copy pass ID, so they can go to the pass center where they can purchase this pass here, or they can go through this URL also. When they purchase this pass with that amount of Robux, you can get that Robux immediately on your account. And on the other prospect, your friend has sent you the Robux intentionally. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.